Alright guys, I'm going to attempt to make a hot caramel macchiato with our Hazelnut Espresso Martini morning cocktail. Let's give it a try. So first I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla. You can add any syrup, whatever flavoring, sweetener, whatever you like. This will be the first step. So whatever flavor, sweetener, or syrup you want, put it in first. I'm just gonna do just a little bit of vanilla extract. And we'll put it in the bottom here. Then you're gonna wanna steam and or froth your milk. I don't have that, so I did microwaved milk. I've used almond milk, but I also like to use coconut milk. You can use whatever milk you like. If you want it extra foamy, they recommend like a higher fattier milk, 2% oat milk, whatever. So I'm going to froth my hot milk. Okay, that should be good. Then add your froth hot milk to your cup. Nice. Okay, and then this is where you add your espresso. This is a super easy espresso recipe. No more hassle with fancy machines and craziness. Just one scoop of EarlyBird, that's all you need, and some hot water. So to mix that, I'm gonna just put it in my cocktail shaker. Add 2 ounces of hot water to the shaker. You can do a little more, a little less, just depending on how strong you would like it. I'm gonna give that a good shake. Okay, and then we're gonna add that to our hot steamed milk. Smells amazing. Beautiful. Okay, and then we're going to add some caramel drizzle. It's a little at-home coffee recipe. Perfect. Look at that. It looks delicious. Looks like I'm at a literal coffee shop. Let's give it a try. Oh my gosh. All right, this is really good. You definitely want to give this one a try. I am loving this.